Yo ho ho, my pirate brothers! Tonight we're gonna draw one of the greatest doctors on the high seas!
Tonight we're gonna draw Chopper. His full name is Tony Chopper. And to be honest, that's the cutest name ever. Luffy met this reindeer doctor on an attempt to heal his fellow friends. But Luffy found interest in Chopper. And, well, since that day, the two of them became friends and he became part of his crew. Well, the first time I saw him, Nami was sick and they needed someone to help him. Chopper stepped in and saved her life. Known fact about Chopper is that this guy has the ability to shapeshift into, well, he can transform into a giant. He can transform, well, actually, he can transform he can transform into 3 different forms. There's his regular deer form. There's his form that he looks as tall as me, and well, he has an interest for bookstores. He had the personality of a child. However, he's a strong guy. He's an adult. He has a strength of an adult. He can also transform into a gigantic buck in case he has to defend himself against enemies. He once transformed into a giant to stop some ravenous kids from eating a dangerous candy created by Caesar Clown. Tony Chopper. I'm proud to include him on my page. In case I ever get fevers, I'll call him. After all, he is a professional. He knows a lot about sedatives. Last thing to draw is his pants. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Chopper from One Piece. 2 of my favorite characters have now been drawn up and completed. That's all for now, guys. Farewell and good night.